yeah, it's sad that you think that we're all just seamsters. And even if we were, it's not the senior thinking of just taking props from 90s boy band fashions, or crop tops and testosterone passion. If there's one thing I could never confess, it's that I can't dance a single step. But I don't think right now you care about anything at all. And if only there were clothes on the floor, I feel for certain I was bedroom dancing. And it's all flailing limbs at the front line. Every single one of us is twisted by design. And dispatches from the back of my mind says so long as we're here, everything is alright. If there's one thing I could never confess, is that I can't dance a single step. I can't dance a single step.
One thing I could never confess is that I can't dance a single step. It's you, it's me, and it's dancing. It's you.
They turn them on. It's always sad to go, but it's never that sad, cause there's only so many places you're guaranteed on getting a hug when you leave. And now on the way home, it always seems like a good idea to go paddling in the fountain, and that's because it is a good idea. And we're just like how Rousseau depicts man in the state of nature.